26 here, just do tips, repairs, and hobbies. And we're making another bread. We had to wait 30 minutes for the machine to cool down, 30 to 35. And we're making a pepperoni bread. I use sliced pepperoni, about maybe 10 pieces. And I put it in between the layers of flour. And it's going now. That's the sound it makes when it's kneading the bread. Kneading the bread there, see? So, well, I'll show it to you afterwards when it gets done, hopefully. Okay, so the pepperoni bread is done. Let's open it up. And there it is. And I'm going to take it out. It is out on the counter, and then I'm going to turn it upside down. I have it on a plate. I'm going to cut into it. Pepperoni in it. Little bits and pieces. Nice and hot. Thanks for watching today. Rate, subscribe, and give the thumbs up. And we'll see you in the next video.